Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You think the people them who preach the good news about Jesus Christ forget pay for what them do? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on. Right as so, 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to the Corinthians, them chapter 9, from verse 1 to verse 18. Me no free. Me are not one of the apostle them. Me never see Lord Jesus Christ. Uno are not God people sake of the work where God send me for do. Even if other people not think say me a one apostle, uno fi know say me a one. Cause the fact say uno and the Lord are one. Sure say me a really one a God apostle. This is what me have to say to all of the people who judge me and I question everything we me do. Uno not think say we have the right to get food and drinks for the work where we do. We don't have the right to take women we believe in a God and make them with wife and carry them around with we just like the other apostle them, the Lord brother and Cephas. Or me and Barnabas are the uncle apostle them. We have to work so they can have money to live. Which soldier wanna know pay himself for work? Who I go plant up enough grape and no yam none when the vine are bare? Who wanna know I go take care of sheep and not drink the milk we then get from them? Who no think me just a say them sitting here cause they make sense? The law no say them same sitting here too. Cause it right down in a Moses law say, you know fit tap the axe from yam when him a mash out the grain. When uno hear that, uno really think say God a worry about the axe. And almost we him a talk about when he say that. Yes, it right down for we, so that when the one where dig up the ground and the one where mash out the grain go do their work, then can look forward to the grain where them a go reap up. If we plant the goods in them from God's spirit in our heart, uno not think say we should not get from uno the sit them where we need to live. If uno have other people we no have to support, uno not think say uno should want support we more than them. But even though we couldn't tell uno for support we no ask uno for nothing. We go through every and anything so that we not tap nobody from believe the good news about Jesus Christ. Uno no know say the one them we walk in a God house get feed them food the same place there a God house. And uno no know say the one them we help to fix up the food for burn sacrifice. Them get some of that same food there. As same so the Lord say that the one them we go around and teach the good news, forget where them need for live from the people them where them a teach. But even though me have the right for ask you for support me never do it. And me not right to know so that when we start do it neither. Me would have rather dead than make you support me. Cause me no want nothing to tap me from boats about how me preach the good news to you and never get no help from you. Me can't boast about the fact that me a preach the good news. Cause a God order me to do that. And if me no preach the good news, God would have punish me. Cause if me myself choose to preach the good news, God will pay me. But if I not choose to do it, then all me I do the work that God give me and trust me to do. So then, what me I go get paid? For me pay, that me can preach the good news about Jesus and not charge nobody. That way there, me can preach and not ask you no to support me. Even though me have the right to ask you no. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.